Today we're going to review ending sounds. The sounds at the end are all the way at the end, right? The last sound that you hear, okay? So today we're going to practice listening for the last sound. If you need to put your hand out like this to hear the last sound, go ahead and do it, okay? So I'm going to show you some pictures and we're going to listen for the last sound. Okay. What is this? Ant. Ready? Ant. What's the ending sound for ant? T. So I have a little clothespin. T. Good. All right. What is this? Lion. Ready? Let's listen for the ending sound for lion. Lion. What's the ending sound for lion? N. Good. Ooh, what's this right here? Ring. Ready? Let's listen for the ending sound. Ring. What's the ending sound for ring? G, right? It's an ing word. Ring. Good. All right. What number is this? 10. Let's listen for the ending sound for 10. 10. What's the ending sound? N. Good. All right. What's this? Boys wear it, right? It's called a vest. Vest. Okay? Vest. What's the ending sound? T. Good. All right. Dog. Ready? Dog. G. What's the ending sound? G. G. Good. All right. Hand. Hand. What's the ending sound? D. D. Good. Octopus. Ready? Let's listen for the ending sound. Octopus. What's the ending sound? S. Good. Sun. Ready? Let's listen for the ending sound. Sun. What's the ending sound? N. Good. Question. Right? Question mark. Question. Question. What's the ending sound? N. Frog. Frog. What's the ending sound? G. G. Okay? All right, now I'm not going to say the word anymore. You're going to say it by yourself, okay? Cat. What's the ending sound? T. T. The cards are stuck together, sorry. Pig. What's the ending sound? G. G. 6. What's the ending sound? X. X. Good. Bat. What's the ending sound? T. T. Good. Goat. What's the ending sound? T. Another T. Good. Okay. Lamp. What's the ending sound? P. P. Good. Pencil. What's the ending sound? L. L. Good. Train. What's the ending sound? Train. N. Slide. What's the ending sound? D. D. Bird. What's the ending sound? D. D. Do you think this is crayon or green? Could be either. Let's do crayon. Crayon. What's the ending sound? Good. Peanut. What's the ending sound? T. Peanut. T. Zip. What's the ending sound? P. P. Jet. What's the ending sound? T. Good. T. Almost done. A couple more pictures. Elf. What's the ending sound? F. Elf. Jam. What's the ending sound? M. Good. Mop. What's the ending sound? P. P. Mop. Web. What's the ending sound? B. Web. B. And last one. Fox. What's the ending sound? X. Fox. Good job.